welcome to the Beginner to Advanced C series. In today's episode, we'll learn how to take input from keyboard and perform variety of operations on that input. So let's get started by creating our file nano episode3.c. We'll first comment out what we'll be doing in this file, that is learning about scanf and operators. We'll include standard header files, which is only one in this case, stdio.h for using printf and scanf. Alright, in our main file, we'll first start by declaring three variables, a, b, and a result variable. Let's prompt user to input the first variable, that is a. Let's say enter a number. And now we use the scanf function. How this works is you provide a format specifier, which in this case is for integer %d, and then you just don't give the variable name, but instead you follow it up with ampersand. What this does is tells the compiler that the input should be stored in the address of variable a. Let's repeat that for our second variable, which is b. You can just copy and paste these and change the values, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Enter first number, and now we perform the operation. Result is equal to a plus b, and we print out that result for us to verify. Result is now getting printed. That's it for our code today. Let's save it and compile it. Episode 3.c. I'm converting it into object file, and there has been no errors or warnings, so that's a good sign. Episode 3. Okay. It's asking us to provide the first number, let's say 5, and let's say the second number is 10, and the result is 15. There we have our answer. Okay. So here you can change into whatever operator you want, let's say multiplication, division, modulus operator. It's depending on what you need. Now let's talk about something very important: operator, precedence, and associativity. What does that mean? If you have more than one operator in an expression, C uses rules to decide which part gets evaluated first. For example, multiplication has higher precedence than addition. So, if you write the result to be, let's say, a plus 4 multiplied by b, let's save this and compile. C will first do 4 multiplied by b and then add a. Let's say a is 5 and b is 10. That means 5 plus 4 multiplied by 10 will become 5 plus 40, which is 45 and not 90. Let us see if that works out. 5 and 10. Yeah, as we discussed, these rules are super important when expressions get more complex. Here's a simple precedence table to show which operator comes first. from highest to lowest, and whatever they are grouped, whether they are grouped left to right or right to left. One pro tip is use parentheses whenever you want to make the order clear. This is the best way to build intuition, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.